Good morning from Chicago, the risk management capital of the world. I'm Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group with the Morning Market Stir for Thursday, December 31st. Stocks stall yesterday, nothing going. Actually negative in the big three indexes. A little bit of a drop, but not selling that you might see after the tax plan was passed. So we had the S&P down 2 yesterday, the Dow down 25 or so, and the NDX down 8, but still holding strong, obviously, in 2017 as we finish out the year. Action in gold up $5, 1270 high. We talked about that. That's a midpoint of this larger overall drop from $1,300 to last week's low. So a push above that could change the downward trend there. Crude oil gained 50 cents yesterday, $58 for the first time in more than a week. Been slow go there as well with that top up above it, 58.50 and then 59 double top from the end of November and beginning of December. Interesting action in the VIX. The VIX did decline below $9. It's been a first time in a long time. Let's remember that all-time forever extreme lows at 884 from July, but then it U-turned and it ended up closing around 975, just below the overall sideways action that we've seen for 7 full months between 10 and 12. So the VIX is not making new lows just yet, though the stock market maintains these high levels. Let's see where we stand here this morning. We're positive in the stock indexes once again. Up 7 in the S&P, up 35 in the Dow futures, and up 5 in the NDX. But we're still off those highs from Monday. The S&P is 10 away, the Dow futures 100 away, and the NDX has some work to do, 50 points away from that all-time high. Crude oil down 25 cents right now, 57.75. We talked about those highs. The support down below is at 55, but we've been stuck sideways here as we finish out the year. Gold right now is at $12.70, essentially unchanged, but we are $30 off the low from last week, trying to form a bottom base and build higher. The euro currency is at 119.40, continuing to move upward, putting pressure on the dollar, which is a positive for a lot of commodities. And lastly, we had the GDP revision numbers come in. They took 0.1% off, so we've lowered it from 3.3% to 3.2%. Not much impact on the market. So to summarize, stocks are steady to higher, maybe making an attempt on those highs after a bit of a stall this week. Right now I've got the S&P up 7, the NDX up 11, and the Dow right now up 35. Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group, where it all comes back to commodities.